Hi, today I have a quick full body flexibility workout for beginners. It is a workout. We are now going to be holding your flexibility poses for a minute, which is what I do in my flexibility routines. But we are going to improve your strength, improve your flexibility by going through some less challenging postures because I see there's a demand for beginner workouts and I decided to provide you with just that. If you go through this routine, please comment and let me know, is it too hard? Is it too easy? So I can adjust my routines for the future. You're going to start in down dog. Down dog is always a great pose to get started with because it helps you get into your body by feeling everything without being too challenged. So you can, however, play with your down dog and make it more challenging by pressing your hands forward, lifting through the armpits. See how that feels? You can also press your back up as you press your hands forward, then lift your armpits even more and see how that goes. Also, you can bring one heel to the mat, lift it back up. The other heel down to the mat, lift it back up. Go from side to side like this a few times. Now move up to high plank and bring your knees to the mat slowly as you can. It might be faster than me right now. It might be slower, just feel the heat. Then once your knees are on the mat, lift your feet, bring your toes together and lower your pelvis. You can bring your heels closer. You can take them away, depending on what feels best for you today. If you bring your heels closer, you'll feel your hamstring. Next, you're going to move your heels to the right. And use this posture to stretch your right side. So you're really opening in that right side, you're sinking your side and lifting your shoulder towards your ear. Next, bring your left foot in front of you on the mat. We're going to get a little bit of a hip stretch as you stretch your side too. Then press your right hand forward and you're going to lift your butt. It's a modified plank. And stretch your left hand over your head and engage your side by pressing your hand forward as much as you can. And this time you're opening your left side. Lower your butt back on the mat. Take your left hand behind you and lift. Now squeeze your abs. We're going to do that 5 times. Lift back up. Squeeze. That's 3. 4. I don't know if you know this, but here when you are up, you're really stretching your shoulders. That feels good. Last one, squeeze. And now back to your side. To your cobra with bent knees. Now to your left side. Feel this left side opening. Take your right foot in front. Keep opening your left side. Now into your modified side plank. You can keep that knee down like I'm doing here, or lift it like we did on the other side. See what happens when you face the ceiling more. See if it helps you open, if it feels more difficult, or if it's too hard, keep facing down. I'm gonna lower back to your butt and stretch in the figure 4 as we lift your pelvis. One. Three. 4. Last time. Back to your side. Into bent knee cobra. And back to down dog. Sweep your right leg up. Knee to armpit. You can lower the left knee if you want. Okay, you don't have to stay in plank. Hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lower slowly. Now we're going to stretch your hip flexor. I love this one and the pigeon, the active pigeon, to stretch the hip flexors. The way you get into your hip flexor is by activating your legs. You're pulling your legs towards one another. You might even see me lift as I do that. And you can stay up like this. You can use blocks. You can keep your hands on the mat. Or bring your hands into prayer behind your head. Press your head to activate your upper back. Your rib cage is lifting up from your pelvic girdle. Now, raising my hands higher and higher. Hands back to the mat. Knee to armpit. And back to down dog. Sweep your left leg up. Knee to armpit. Again. Right knee to the mat if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lower your knee. Activate your legs. You always feel one side is different than the other. It's interesting to note, but nothing to be worried about. Just feel what you feel. hands into prayer behind your head if you want. And you can activate your upper back by pressing your hands against your head and your head against your hands. Hands up high, hands back to the mat, knee to armpit, down dog. Lower your knees back to the mat as slowly as you want. And you can finish this practice with child pose. Place your forehead on your mat and enjoy the beautiful after effect of a quick and effective full body flexibility workout.